Okay. So what is next? I just finished a PHP program, right? As I say, the program cannot save to desktop anymore. It should be saved to where? File. Save as CWMP64 www under here, okay? So save it. And how to run it? Go to 127.0.0.1 slash in here means www here. Once again, 127.0.01 is means www. Under here, we have a hw4.php. So we have a hw4.php. So enter, we see a hello world showing here. Great, congratulations. So let me check. Can I see the code anymore? Right click, source code. Can you see the code? No, you cannot see the code anymore, but my code is PHP write hello world, right? So you can see I can write, AAA, BBB, CCC, save it once again, and go back to check the status, check, refresh. AAA is shown here, but you cannot see my source code. More safe, right? Security, gotta protect, okay? So, try to write your first PHP, use HTML, write your code. Remember, the PHP and question mark is very, very good friend. Don't use a space to separate it. They are good friend. No space inside of them, okay? So screenshot and try to save to the CWMP64 www under here, okay? Okay. Okay, so you have already set up the PHP environment, and we need to write some sentence more clear. So if my problem is I want to show this is a PHP screen and a script and the best choice with two rows. Okay, so I here echo my name is ANN. And remember, every sentence should be end with a semicolon. So don't forget it and save it. Let me check what's going on. So I have two sentences right now, right? And go back to here. Refresh. My name is ANN. I want this sentence go to next row. How to let this one go to next row? In the HTML, how to let one sentence shift to next row? Use what? Break, BR or P, right? Where can I write? Can I write in here, BR? Or can I write in P here? Refresh. No. When you see an orange screen here, it means something wrong. But when you see this error message, don't quickly switch to other one. You need to very carefully to check where it happened. It means unaccept token, this symbol. The end of the file at line 7. Where is line 7? In here, we have a line 7. End of here is arrow. Once again, in here is a program word. In here is HTML word. Here is HTML word. This one is HTML over program. This one is HTML, right? So HTML actually cannot survive in program. Just like in here is under the sea, water. You cannot put somebody under the sea so long. You need to protect them within the quotation mark. Once again, HTML, this one, is a person. The person cannot singly survive under the sea. This one is under the sea, right? So this one is also a person cannot under the sea. So go inside here. This one is a submarine. He can survive you, okay? So under the sea, go submarine, okay? Save it, refresh, done, okay? So let me check. Here, can you see the BR and P, right? This one is HTML. So you write the HTML out. Got it? So this one is 2 sentences. So can I use this one to write something? This one is 1, 2, 3, hello and valuable. This one is a valuable. I can set up a variable. What is a variable? Sometimes I want to write things repeat every time. Repeat every time. For example, my name is ANN right here. Since my name is ANN, echo. Oh, ANN is my name. And my mother always call me Ann. So in here, ANN 1, 2, 3. I have a 3 ANN, right? But some days I want to change my name to Mary. So, oh, my name is Mary. So I can change here. I need to change 1, 2, 3 times, right? But I don't want every time when I change my name, I need to go back to check my code to see where should I modify. So I will use a variable. What is variable? Variable is a place to set a lot of things. So let's go here. Okay. So I have a 1, 2, 3, 4 sentences. In here, I have my name, Mary, Mary, Mary. All of them are called Mary, right? So I want to change Mary 1 time. I can use a space. This space is called my name. My name is called ANN. I can put a space to save what is my name. And in PHP, if you want to generate a space in memory, you need to use a $sign because PHP very like money. So you use a $sign to set up every variable. So my name is equals to means to set up the value to this space. My name is equals to ANN. ANN is a string. Don't forget, string need a double quotation to mark it. And every end of a sentence should be use a semicolon. And I can use this variable to replace every Mary. This one is my name. This one is $sign my name. This one is $sign my name. So next time when I want to change my name, I can change to here. My name is called Sam. Then those of the variable will change to Sam. at the same time, okay? So let's go back to write the program here. First, I will set up a variable called my name equals to double quotation. This one is my name. The end will end by a semicolon. And here is my name. I will use my name. You can see my name is a variable. He can recognize this one have already defined in here, so it becomes blood one, right? So copy it, my name in here, okay? Save it and go back to check my website. Refresh. My name is ANN. My ANN is my name. My mother always call me Ann. Let me transfer to the other name. My name is Shirley. My name is Shirley. Refresh. Shirley is my name. My mother always call me Shirley. Okay? So variable is used in here if you want to repeat very much time. Okay? So screenshot. Try to set up a variable and set up with your name and write a sentence in here. And try to use BR, P, or change the color. Okay? Okay. So here is the question. I want to calculate a circumference. Circumference is 直径。有人知道直径是什么吗？ How to calculate a circumference? If I want to calculate a circumference, I need to know the radius in here and radius in here, and pi is 3.14. The circumference is 2 times of r plus pi, right? So how to let the PHP to calculate the circumference? If the r is equals to 10, so the circumference will 10 times 10 times 2, so 2 times 10 times pi, so the answer will be this one, okay? So how to write the PHP to calculate this one? In PHP, so you need to write PHP and question mark. You need to define a variable r to set up with 10. So set up a place, $r. If the PHP see the $r, he will to generate a space from memory and set up the space with a name $r and use a setup. This one equals to makes setup 10 to here. Don't forget to end the string, so semicolon. And set up a pi, so $pi equals to 3.14. Because this one and this one are number. Number, you don't need to use a double quotation to mark it, okay? So semicolon in the end. Next, you need to generate a result called a circle. $circle, CIRCLE equals to, use this one 2 times $r times $pi and get the result, semicolon, don't forget. Then echo the radius r 10. Result is circle, CIRCLE, so circle. Okay, so go to here. After the first program, we will generate the other program. Before we generate the other program, we draw a line horizontal line. We can use a tag called horizontal row. Okay, so he will generate a line. Then start the other program, question mark PHP and question mark end. So this one is the program. This one is also the other program. So inside one PHP, we can write a lot of different part of code. So the first one, I need to define a row radius 10. Define a pi equals to 3.14. Define a circle, circle, which is equals to 2 times r times pi. And the answer will be circle, circle, question mark, and semicolon. Got it? So let's go here to hw4.php. Okay, so you can see I have a horizontal row line in here and 62.8. Then if we change to 20, okay, refresh, we'll change to 125.3. So if I want to say something, the answer is equals to this one. How can I write the answer? Sometimes we will echo the answer is this one, right? But this one is HTML. Under the C, you need use a yet, double quotation, and semicolon. The answer is this one, okay? Refresh. The answer is this one, okay? Actually, we can combine those things together. If you don't want to echo too much things, you can combine the string with variable together. How to? Combine means put together. But this one is a string. This one is a variable. How to concatenate together? Sometimes we use plus. Sometimes we use and. But in PHP, we use dot. Dot. Have you heard a song about I have an apple, I have a pen, apple pen? Have you heard about that? Yes. I have an apple is this string. I have a pen. This one is got it? So dot is means to concatenate together, okay? So save it, refresh, done, okay? So if I want to say, oh, the radius or this one is a string, this one is a variable, concatenate. This one is a variable, this one is a string. How? Got it? So you have a radius 20. Answer this one. Okay, so screenshot. Okay, give it to you. This one is the last one. Okay, so my problem is how to calculate the BMI. If I want to calculate the BMI, I need to know two things, the weight and height of arm. So the weight, I should let the PHP define a weight. So weight, if my weight is 50, and semicolon, don't forget the height. H equals to here. This one is meter or centimeter, centimeter or meter. Usually we will use a centimeter, right? So it's fine. So 160. So the BMI is calculated by here. The weight divided by your height times 2 times. But this height is meter. Got it? So if this one is centimeter, you need to divide this one to become a meter first. So h should be divided by 100 and set to itself once again. When the computer sees W, he will go to the memory to generate a space and name the space with W and use equals to set up the 50 in here. Then H equals to 160. So he will generate a space called H and set up the 160 here. But this one is centimeter. And we need to use a meter to calculate the BMI. So this one should be divided by 100 first, right? So 160 divided by 100 will equals to 1.6. So this one will assign to itself once again. So it will change to 1.6 here. Got it? Then we can use this two symbol, this one and this symbol, to calculate the BMI. $W divide by H times twice. H times H. Do you think this one is right? If you think this equation is right, please raise your hand. If you think this equation is wrong, please raise your hand. If you don't know what I'm talking about, please raise your hand. Okay, once again, I want to calculate the BMI, right? So I will write the equation like this one. W divided by H times H, right? So the equation is right, raise your hand. If you think the equation is wrong, raise your hand. No one? Actually, it's wrong. Why? Why? This one will calculate first, right? Then calculate this one. So he will divide by H, but multiply H. It will become W once again, right? So don't forget, if you want to H times H, don't forget to use a wrong click to let them calculate first. 知道我在说什么吗？我现在要算 BMI， 我的 H 要乘2次，要先乘，要把它刮起来，不然它会又回到自己的 W。好 ，OK。So let's go back to calculate. Okay, here we use a HR to write a horizontal line and start a new PHP. Good habit to write a 2 question mark and PHP at the same time and enter. So you won't forget to write the end of the equation. So the first one, you need to define a W with a 50 and height with 160. This one is a centimeter. And H should be divided by 100 first because this one is centimeter. We need to use a meter to calculate. So I divide it and set to H once again. Then BMI is equals to W divided times twice. Times. Okay? Semicolon and echo. The BMI. This one is a symbol. Okay? Okay, go here, refresh. So the BMI is 19 and I change to, if I goes to 170 meter, So you will change to here, right? So if I want to say more things in here, your height is H. Your weight is W. Your BMI will be. Okay, so let's concatenate. This one is string, this one is variable, use dot. This one is variable, this one is a string, use dot. Yes, don't forget, everything needs dot, 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 dot. Okay, so refresh. Your height, your weight, and your BMI. Okay, so screenshot this result and pass to our classwork here. Make your second page. So in the second page, you need to upload the HTML and your figure together to one RAR file in here, and screenshot your product menu and screenshot your result for BMI today. So you have two screenshots, and that is today's classwork. And what is your homework? We finally have a homework. Don't forget, in the final project, you need to make your own store website, right? So start to write your product list menu HTML, PHP, transfer to PHP, okay? And write some your introduction, product introduction, and your history introduction about your store, okay? Okay, great. Thank you, everyone. Today's lesson is finished.